My name is Skylar Whiskers. Cicada shells, not good. If you find a cicada shell, that means you're in good luck. You're going to find one soon. Make sure you look on your playset. Hard things, okay? Hard things means cicada, man. Cicadas are good, not bad. Cicadas. Cicadas are awesome. And they're great. Man. You just can't understand it. You want to see what a cicada looks like? Cicadas are fun. See this? It's called a cicada. Cicadas are not big. They're great and awesome. I'm outside right now, and go outside. Look for cicadas, man. Don't just sit there. Go outside. Look for cicadas. Tell your teachers, tell your fathers, tell your mothers, I want to go outside. Go outside now. It's awesome. You can find a cicada shell. You can find a butterfly. You can find anything that you want.